Hello folks, today we're putting Gepco VPM 2000 cable, putting BNC connectors on it for audio AES, digital audio, and we're going to be using the Milestek 204 connector, and here we go. We want to use a nice trimmer. Spin that around a few good times. We'll do the other side as well, since we got to do both ends of this. Hope we're all timing this thing. And when we get done, looks like this. Do the other side as well. Okay. I always like to slide the sleeve on first. Trim down the end here to the right length. Put on our this end connector. Slides right on. Use the fancy Milestek crimping device. Boom! And then I slide off the yellow piece that holds the braiding. Spread that back, nice. So it looks like this. Slide that sucker on. Push it down. I feel a little pop. Oh, I like to spin these too. Spin the braid. And then we put our crimp tool on, boom, done. Flip the other side, trim it, sleeve it, pin it, Milestek it, pull back the yellow, display the shield, slide on the connector. Feel the pop, go halfway, give it a spin, push it the rest of the way, crimp, all done.